Hey there, curious minds! Welcome to my channel, the place where science comes alive. Every week, we explore the amazing world around us with fun experiments, cool facts, and exciting adventures. From the tiniest atoms to the biggest planets, there's always something new to discover. So grab your curiosity and let's dive into today's science adventure. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from? Or why puddles disappear after the sun comes out? Today, we are going to follow every drop of water on an incredible adventure, the water cycle. Why water is important? Water covers about 70% of Earth. All living things need water to survive. Water is always moving and changing forms. Evaporation, water rises. Heat from the sun warms lakes, rivers, and oceans. Water turns into invisible gas called water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Fun fact, the ocean gives off the most water vapor on Earth. Condensation, clouds form. Water vapor cools down and turns back into liquid droplets. Droplets stick together to form clouds. Different cloud types form at different altitudes. Precipitation, rain, snow, and hail. When cloud droplets get too heavy, they fall back down. Forms of precipitation: rain, snow, sleet, hail. Each form depends on air temperature. Collection, water returns. Water gathers in rivers, lakes, oceans, or underground. Cycle begins again with the sun's heat. The cycle never ends, it's nature's recycling system. Water cycle and weather. The water cycle is connected to weather patterns. More evaporation equals more rain and storms. Without it, there would be no rainbows. Protecting our water. Clean water is precious. Pollution and waste affect the water cycle. Simple actions like conserving water and avoiding plastic help. Every drop of water you drink, every cloud you see, and every raindrop that falls is part of a journey billions of years old, the water cycle. Today we learned the four main stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection, how water moves around Earth, why it's important to care for clean water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so we can keep learning about the amazing world around us. And remember, water is life, and life is science.